For reference, this here is one of the softwares that I promote, and you can see here, this one paid me lifetime earnings of $5,000, 652 cents. This other one here is another one that I really like to promote, which is called Moobert, and it paid me over the lifetime $11,000, $223.08. I still have to receive from this software here $766. And you can see here, I promoted this using this one blog article from Moobert teaching people how to build lo-fi YouTube channels. Now, the best way to be able to do this is to use ChatGPT and its connect to the web feature, which allows you to search online for anything that you want to search. So if you're following along with me in this video, you can simply copy and paste the prompt that will be organized and ready for you in our text guide down below in the description link of this video. So just go ahead, copy and paste this. And as you can see here, search the internet for trendy news articles or topics in the niche. In this case here, I'm going to use the health and fitness niche. So in the health and fitness niche from the last 30 days, provide a list of the 10 trending topics or articles with their titles. So just hit enter and let ChatGPT search the internet for this viral information for us. Now, as you can see here, after it finishes generating these viral topics and titles for us, you're gonna have 10 of them, okay, with links and everything that you probably need to be able to create those articles. So the next prompt that you're gonna copy and paste into ChatGPT is this one right here. Now you can simply turn off the option to search the internet, because now we're not gonna be using the internet anymore. Analyze these trending topics and generate 10 keywords that are highly relevant to this niche based on current trends, and hit enter. And now, as you can see here, ChatGPT will also generate top 10 keywords from current health and fitness trends that we can use for them. Now, if you like to learn simple and free methods to make money online, I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel, because if you're not subscribed, YouTube will not show you the future videos. And in this channel here, I'm posting 3 videos just like the one you're watching right now, with different methods completely free that you can use to make money online. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button right now, turn on the bell notification, and you'll be notified every single time I post a new video. So now that you have your viral topics and you know exactly what we're going to be talking about, you're going to need an AI platform that will be able to host those articles for you, and probably even create them without you having to have any design knowledge, any coding experience, anything like that. And to be able to solve this problem for you, I've partnered with Hostinger to be the sponsor of today's video. Now, if we are being real here, creating a website used to mean spending hours messing with code, design tools, and clunky platforms. Until now, with Hostinger's AI-powered website builder, you can now build a beautiful, fully functional website without writing a single line of code. You literally answer 3 simple questions and the AI builds a personalized website for you in less than a minute. It has 150 plus customizable templates, an AI writer to generate SEO-friendly content, an AI image generator to design logos and visuals, and an AI heat map to predict user behavior. And oh, by the way, this works all from your phone. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, creator, or you're selling digital products, Hostinger has you covered. You can list up to 500 products, use 100% plus payment options like Apple Pay, and the best part, 0 transaction fees. You keep exactly 100% of what you earn. And you also get a free domain with annual plans, .com, .net, and more, full e-commerce tools like discounts, gift cards, appointment bookings, and much more. And you also get a built-in Google Ads integrations to drive traffic. And that is exactly why I'm going to be using Hostinger to perform the method of this video. And you can get a 10% discount on their pro plans if you use the link down in the description of this video. Again, just pause the video, use the first link at the top of the description, and go get your 10% discount today. Once you land on the page, log in using your Google account. Honestly, I would recommend going with a business plan. It's a smart investment because it includes essential AI tools like AI image generator, AI blog generator, AI SEO tools, e-commerce features that the premium plan doesn't need. It's a solid choice if you're serious about growing your online business. I would also recommend to choose the 48 months plan because it gives the best value for money. The best part, while other platforms eat your profits, Hostinger charges 0% transaction fees on digital product sales. What I love about Hostinger is that they don't play the hidden fee game. Unlike other platforms where even basic features like adding discount codes at checkout come with extra charges, Hostinger is much more affordable than other platforms offering premium features that others typically charge extra for. And here's the bonus. Use my code Reis at checkout to get an additional discount. Once you click register, you should see this. Let AI create a website for you. They're going to ask you for your brand name and the description of what you want your website to be. Okay, so since I'm doing the health and fitness niche, the name of my brand will be Fitness for All. And I also have this prompt here that you can use to create your own website that you can simply copy and paste. You can simply change the niche here, which is health and fitness for me, but for you it could be different. Create an affiliate blog in the health and fitness niche with pages for trending articles and product reviews. It's as simple as that, then click create a website. Now, Hostinger will generate a full website, including a homepage, blog section, contact page, and your social links. And the best part is you can also use Hostinger AI to be able to write those blog articles for you. So you have everything in one place. Now, as you can see here, the AI has generated for me a fully, completely designed blog in the health and fitness niche. It has a contact, everything I told you before, and you can simply change the color palettes here if you wanted to, just by clicking on the color that you think most suits your website the best. I'm actually going to choose the first one here because I think it looks pretty good, and I'm going to click here on continue. Now, once you're here, and when you click on continue, you can also make changes to any of the parts of the website that you wanted. If you wanted to change this image, you can simply click on it and generate generate a different image if you don't like this one. You could also remove or add any sections here in this website that you don't like. And if you think it's missing something, you could click here, add section, and you can tell to generate a section. You can choose from one of their pre-existing ones. So you have unlimited options here. So what I'm gonna do here now is actually go on the left here and click in AI tools, and I'm gonna click on AI blog generator. Now, once you click here, I also have a prompt that you can simply copy and paste here. And it says, write a blog post for the insert niche. In my case, it's gonna be health and fitness, including information from this summary. And here I'm gonna paste in the ChatGPT summary created in the last step. So I'm actually gonna choose here team fitness programs, and I'm also gonna copy and paste the summary that ChatGPT gave me. And after that, it says insert the following affiliate links. And if you have any links from any affiliate products that you wanna promote in your blog article, you can simply input the link right here where it says insert link. And the best place, in my opinion, right now to be able to get these links is using something like ClickBank, for example. ClickBank has a full marketplace that you can use to get affiliate programs, affiliate products very, very quickly. So once you're here on ClickBank, simply click start here, create a free account if you don't already have one. And once you log in, simply go to their marketplace and choose your niche. Now, once you're here on the ClickBank marketplace, you can simply choose from one of these niches here if it fits your niche. If you can't find it here, click here on all, and you're gonna see this drop-down menu which has all of the niches included in it. And I can see mine here, health and fitness, so I'm just gonna click here. And if I wanted to find a really good product for me to promote, I can simply click here, rank high or low, or I could choose by gravity. Gravity is the ones that are selling the most right now. I could also choose by average conversion. I could also choose by how much I'm going to get paid. For now, I'm gonna go with the gravity because if it's selling a lot, it means the product is good. So I'm just gonna choose the first one or the second one here. The first one has an average conversion of $178, meaning every single time I make a sale, I could potentially earn $178.99 in this conversion. Okay, so every time it makes a sale, I could potentially earn this amount of money. And if you click here in the name of the product, it's going to take you to the product page so you can see exactly what this is. So you can see here, this is a weight loss support product, which it is probably good because this is #1 here with a very high gravity score. You can simply click here on affiliate page or promote, and you can enter your nickname here. And once you enter your nickname, click continue, and it will generate your affiliate link, which is this one here called encrypted hop link. This is exactly how they know that every single time someone makes a purchase using this link, it was you that referred it and they will commission it to you. Okay, so just have this link, and if you want it, you can paste it here. Boom, now that we have everything, you can choose the length of the content, how long you want this article to be. I'm gonna choose between 800 and 1000 words and click here, create content. So now in just about 30 seconds, it should generate your entire article. And as you can see here, it says it's a 3-minute read, and you're gonna see the rise of team fitness programs. It's gonna explain about exactly what ChatGPT gave us, which is a viral topic according to the news today. And you can see here, it says, but health and wellness go beyond just hitting the gym. If you're serious about boosting your energy, supporting your metabolism, making wellness part of your life, no matter your age, you might want to try Mitoline, a powerful new supplement designed to unlock your metabolic potential. And it has here included a call to action with the link to your product. Now, if you want to make this a little bit more professional, I recommend you use something like Bitly to be able to shorten this link and make it look a little bit better, so people won't be so skeptical about this huge link here, which looks kind of sketchy. Now, if there's anything you want to change, you simply have to click on the article and you can change what's written. And you can see here, if you scroll down the article, you're going to see that it has many calls to action for people to join and get your product using your link. All right. And once you're happy with the article, you could also change this image here if you didn't want it. You could generate another image, like someone working out at the gym, create the image, and it's going to generate a new image for you to be able to include in your article. So basically, you can make changes to any part of this article that you want to. Now, as you can see, I changed the image here. There's a guy working out at the gym. I'm happy with this, so I'm just going to click here on save. And once you're happy with your article, you simply click here on go live. And once you click on go live, Hostinger is going to ask you to sign up for one of their paid plans. You can choose between the premium website builder or the business website builder, which is $2.99 per month or $3.99 per month, included in a 48-month period. If you wanted to do it for 12 months, it's going to be $4.99, $3.99, but it's still a very, very good price for everything that you're getting. You can also scroll down here and see their features: go live, 25 websites, free domain, 25 mailboxes, AI tools, and online store, which this one doesn't include. This one here includes everything on this one, but more. You can do 50 websites, free domain, 50 mailboxes, AI tools, and online store. So if you're planning to use the AI website or blog builder, I highly recommend you go for the business website builder. And once you choose your plan, you're going to be able to make your website go live. So in the past, I've been promoting a product called Java Burn, which is a health and fitness product, helps people lose weight as well. And I have here a plan which includes how you're going to monetize and how I was able to reach $500 a day using this product and to be able to generate money using affiliate blogs with affiliate links included in them, okay, by generating traffic and all of that good stuff. So basically, as a goal, I had to make $500 in affiliate commissions on using a product like Java Burn from ClickBank. Commissions per sale are on average $193, and it required me to get 3 sales every single day to be able to reach a $500 a day income. Okay, so clicks needed per day at 1% conversion is 260. So let's say that you have a blog and you published it, around 8,636 people that view your blog, 260 will click on your link at a 1% conversion rate, and the conversion rate is the amount of people that will take you up on your offer. But this doesn't have to come only from posting the blog online, which is the next thing that I'm going to explain here. You can also generate traffic using short form videos, for example, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Now, the daily output that you have to create is 2 YouTube Shorts per day, 2 TikToks per day, which equals to 4 short form videos per day. You can also post this same video on Instagram Reels, X, but I'm not including that here right now. So each video needs to get on average 2,159 views to collectively hit 8,636 views per day. And you can use strategies to get more views, like use viral hooks in the first 3 seconds, create faceless videos using in-video AI. You can write scripts and CTAs using Ember AI from ClickBank, which is their new AI software. And you can promote your affiliate links in your bios, pinned comments, videos descriptions, or you can simply post these short form videos on your social media and send people to your blog article to educate them about the product, about the benefits of using that product. And after they read the article, they will be enticed to be able to take you up on your offer and buy the product. Traffic method number 2, which is simply from blog content. 1 blog post per day written using Hostinger AI, blog posted on Medium, Pinterest, Reddit, and Facebook groups. Blog goals: you need to reach 1,727 views per day, and at a 3% conversion rate, you will get 52 clicks. At a 1% conversion, roughly 1 sale every 1 to 2 days. The reason why this strategy is powerful, as you can see here, SEO traffic grows over time, content continues to generate clicks days and weeks later after you've posted it, and it pairs well with your videos, and you can cross-link everything to stack conversions. Like I said, you can use the short form content to generate views and traffic and send this traffic to your blog post, and after that they get educated on a product and the benefits of using this product. Then a percentage of those people will take you up on your offer. Now, the summary here of the content that you have to create every single day is YouTube Shorts 2 per day. You can use something like in-video AI, like I said before, to create videos without ever having to create any videos, and you need to get 4,318 videos from short video traffic. TikTok, the same thing. Blog posts 1, and you need to get 1,727 views on your blog post with long-term SEO plus social link generation with a total views of 8,636, enough to generate 260 clicks every single day. Now, I have to be honest here with you. You're not going to be able to generate all of these views and all of these sales from day 1. If someone is telling you that you're going to be generating this amount of money the first day that you start something, they're selling you hype. They're not selling you a real business. But what you can do today and right now is start building a business that will generate revenue for you for years to come, based on a system that is proven to work. Now, this is a scalable strategy, meaning you can scale this and you will start to see results over time. Some people hit results with this in 2 to 3 weeks. Some take 2 to 3 months. It depends on how consistent you are and how you're going to be doing this method. Now, some of the reasons me and my team are able to hit high numbers from the first day that we start doing something is because I have a huge audience. There's over 100,000 people in my email list. I've been doing this for 15 years, so I have a lot of experience. But since you're going to be starting from scratch, you can expect the results to come over time. Now, you can certainly follow all of these steps in this video and make this work by yourself. But if you want to skip all of the errors, all of the trials and errors, then I highly recommend you check out Wealth Academy Pro. Wealth Academy Pro is exactly for those people that have a lack of skills, a lack of knowledge, and lack of guidance. It is a community driven by results where I personally teach you step by step how to make money online in several different ways, including YouTube automation, AI shorts, digital products, print on demand, affiliate marketing, and a bunch of other ways. Now, for all of these business methods, you will get clear step-by-step strategies so you know exactly what to do, live bi-weekly coaching calls for direct help and to review your strategies and results, done for you templates, tools, and cheat sheets to explode your progress, a supportive community of people doing exactly what you're doing, monthly giveaways to keep you motivated, and right now it's going for only $49 a month, which the price is going to go up because of the value that we're offering in there and the live coaching calls. So if you want to grandfather and lock in your $49 per month for life, you can simply use the link in the description that says Wealth Academy Pro and join today. And you can also earn a 20% commission on every single person that you refer that joins the community. Now, since you're going to be using affiliate marketing with this method, I have a full affiliate marketing guide course here on my channel that you can watch right now for completely free simply by clicking this video right here. I'll see you there. Peace out.